Oh, this is so cute. She ended up getting like a nice little curly bob. Oh, I absolutely love this. And her natural texture looks amazing with this bob haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some more long to short hair transformations. Next up, we have someone with long blonde hair. The stylist places the hair into some ponytails. Looks like she's doing a measurement here, so she's probably donating the hair. So she does a big chop cut here. Ooh, absolutely breathtaking bob style. I love how chic and cute this looks. Very nice, and has a very like strong low maintenance feel to it. Very cute transformation. So next up, we have a styling video. So she has a beautiful blonde pixie style here. And she ends up doing this really cute like mohawk. So I always talk about the versatility when it comes to styling, and a lot of these pixies are very versatile when it comes to styling options. So she's simply putting in some curls here with this baby curling iron. You can pick this up from Amazon. You can also use a baby flat iron to get the smaller curls as well. And then after doing the curls, she does add some pomade to just kind of like separate the hair, giving it that textured appearance with the choppy feel. Very cute. I absolutely love her haircut. And the color is beautiful as well. So next up, we have another haircut transformation. So this one just looks like a nice little cut refresh. Stylist has a beautiful mini bob haircut here. And she has the bangs in the front. Very 1920s retro glam. And then we have this shaping of this pixie style. Stylist does a nice pixie look here with some bangs in the front to frame out her face. Very nice. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out the rest of this hairstyle.